Welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Arctic Cat 858 Riot, one of the most exciting crossover snowmobiles of the year. We'll check out its exterior, interior, and performance to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Exterior design. Cut to close-ups of the Arctic Cat 858 Riot, showcasing its bodywork. The 2025 Arctic Cat 858 Riot is built for riders who want the best of both worlds, on-trail precision and off-trail capability. Arctic Cat has refined its design this year with a more aggressive, streamlined body that improves aerodynamics while maintaining the durability we expect from the Riot series. Show shots of the sled from different angles. Check out this updated bodywork with sharper lines and reinforced panels. The Riot features Arctic Cat's new lightweight G2 chassis, reducing weight without sacrificing strength. The LED headlights. Super bright, offering better visibility on those night rides. And of course, Arctic Cat's bold new color schemes, this one in electric green and black, really pop. Interior and rider comfort. Cut to the host sitting on the snowmobile, showing the cockpit. Now let's talk about where you'll be spending most of your time, the cockpit. Arctic Cat has upgraded the 858 Riot's handlebars with a new ergonomic design for better grip and control, even with gloves on. The hand and thumb warmers. Adjustable for those extra cold days. Zoom in on the digital display. The Riot now features a 7-inch full-color digital gauge with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to track speed, RPM, fuel levels, and even connect to your phone for GPS and notifications. And check this out, Arctic Cat's Smart Ride feature lets you customize suspension settings right from this screen. Cut to shot of the seat. They've also added a premium seat with extra cushioning, making long rides way more comfortable. Plus, the improved storage compartment behind the seat means you can carry essentials like goggles, tools, or even a thermos of hot coffee. Performance and handling. Action shots of the 858 Riot in motion, carving through deep snow, jumping, and taking tight turns on the tri. Alright, let's talk performance, because this is where the 2025 Arctic Cat 858 Riot truly shines. Under the hood, we've got the all-new 858cc CTEC2 engine, delivering more power and torque than its predecessor. This thing pulls hard, with incredible throttle response that makes every ride feel exhilarating. Cut to host standing next to the snowmobile. This engine is paired with Arctic Cat's ADAPT CVT system, providing seamless power delivery and improved belt life. Plus, the PowerClaw 146-inch track with 2-inch lugs gives you insane traction in deep powder while still handling well on hardpack trails. Show footage of the sled absorbing bumps and landing jumps. And let's not forget about the suspension. Arctic Cat's Arctic Drive system and Fox QS3 shocks give you the ability to adjust ride quality on the fly. Whether you're cruising trails or hitting backcountry powder, the Riot adapts instantly. Conclusion, is it worth it? Cut to host standing next to the sled, summarizing. So, is the 2025 Arctic Cat 858 Riot worth it? Absolutely. This sled delivers unmatched versatility, powerful performance, and improved comfort. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a hardcore backcountry rider, the Riot is designed to handle it all. Show final action shots of the snowmobile ripping through snow. If you're looking for a crossover snowmobile that does it all, the Arctic Cat 858 Riot should be at the top of your list. But what do you think? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more sled content. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the trails. Outro. Call to action. Roll cinematic footage of the 858 Riot in slow motion, followed by the channel's logo and social media handles. Follow us on Instagram for behind-the-scenes clips and subscribe for more snowmobile reviews.